If you've got a 2003 or just a third gen Dodge Ram in general, you can do a self test and also scan for codes. I'll show you how. Press the odometer button there, the trip. You can take your key, put it into the ignition, and you're going to cycle the key to the on position and leave it there. You're going to hold the odometer button. The dash will do its own self test. Cycle through the gauges, keep your finger on the button. Now it's going to start doing engine check codes. We got one there for 3322, A800, 0000, and it's done. Take your finger off. And then just start your truck. And that's how you're going to check your gauges and also check for a check engine light on your third gen Dodge Ram, just using your key. Hope that helps somebody.